there, and Happy New Year from Tammy Talk TV, where we share ways to live with purpose, passion, and perseverance. Now, I'm taking a little time off to enjoy the holidays, but I did want to stop by and touch base with you about some things on our 2020 calendar. And the first thing is, in February, we will be launching the first edition of the Everyday Vacay Cyber Seminar Series. Now, some of you may be familiar with our Cyber Seminar Series because we did launch the beta version back in September. And if you are one of those early subscribers, just send me an email and I will be happy to update you with the first edition. And if you aren't familiar with our Cyber Seminar Series, there is a link below for a free introduction. We will also be returning with our Reverse Q&A Thursday series on January 9th. And the topic of that next installment is how to withdraw from a difficult situation. Now, I'm pretty good at withdrawing from difficult situations, and I can totally teach it to you in just a few minutes. So come on by January 9th and learn how to withdraw from a difficult situation. Also during this new year, we're going to introduce a series of wellness recipes, and those will be easy, organic, do-it-yourself health care products that come directly from your kitchen without any fancy ingredients needed. And we will have probably a dozen of those covering a wide range of products from hair care to hydration. So stay tuned in 2020 for our wellness recipe series. I'll also be doing some live events in 2020. So if you're interested in attending a Tammy Talk Live, just head over to TammyTalk.com, click that events tab, and check our schedule. I would love to see you there. Also at TammyTalk.com, you can click that social tab, choose your favorite social media network, and join our conversation. We would love to hear from you. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more. And I will see you again for Reverse Q&A Thursday, January 9th. See you then.